So today I want to show you how you can keep the original variable before transforming it to another variable. So it's more useful to have two types of a variable instead of replacing it by the new one. So for instance, here the employment is the categorical variable and they have the three categories, but I want to transform three categories with the two categories still as a categorical variable. So for this, first I have to create the one column and then copy the same data. So click the first cell and then you can do a insert and insert the column after. And we have now the space to copy the data. So first you will select the what you want to copy and then you will go to the copy and then you put the cursor here and then Control V and the data enters in the cell. And here we have to the other part. So here you will select this and then copy and this and Control V again. And now we have the third part here, this and then yeah, sorry. So this and then copy and again the same procedure. Yeah, I think we have now, yeah, so we have only this one. So this and copy and this and Control V. For the moment, I didn't find the another way to get this faster. So we can use that for the moment. So now a new variable, we can put the name. You can go to the variable and now you will see that this is a new variable. So here we can say the recode employment. Yeah. So now we have now the same data and the employment and we will record this. So as I said, there are three categories and we want to make them two categories. So when you go to the now the record employment and we can use the function of merge. So we want to leave the non-employment like this and the part-time, full-time will be merged. So we can do a merge with and with the full time and okay. So now we have the only non-employment and the full time. You can change the name with the employment. So that's it. And we can go to data to verify. And the employment and the record employment, they have the side by side. And all part-time, full-time, that is replaced by employment and non-employment didn't change. So by this way, you can keep the two variables and you don't have to replace the other variable. So you will lose one and you will have only one. So we can have a two. Thank you.